Hello there, Shannon West here, back with another video. Thanks for joining me today. I've got a really fun bunch of cards today. Another five cards in 10 minutes. This time, birthday cards. So I'm going to show you the same card style in several different colors so that you don't get bored while making it and you can make a bunch of cards really quickly. Let's take a look. The first step is to take these pieces that I have pre-cut and do a little watercoloring on them, just a little watercolor wash stripes. Now these pieces are, let's see, 2 3/4 by 4 1/2. And so they're not a full card front, they're just kind of a little piece. That's the thing when you're making a lot of cards, sometimes it's good to use smaller pieces because then you're not using up so much cardstock. Just kind of depends on what you like to do. So I've got 5 of those for my 5 cards and a smoky slate ink pad and ink refill. So I'll just drop in a couple drops there, and I've got my whitest water painter. Whoops, don't untwist that. So I'll just drip a few drops here so I can get ready to watercolor. And then I'm just going to do really wide stripes. Now the trick to this is to make sure to get the top and the bottom. And they turn out a little bit different, like they'll be different from each other, and that's okay, just expect that. Okay, all 5 of these are finished now, and you can see the ones I did at the beginning have a lot more smoky slate than the ones at the end, but that's okay. Like, the variety will be really nice with the different card colors. So I'll put these aside. They're actually almost dry now. It dries really fast. This is just basic white cardstock. And so now we'll do the other parts while we wait for those to dry all the way. Now I cut out some of these labels from the Tasteful Labels dies. Let's see if I can find the actual label. Here it is, this one. So I cut out 5 of these, and I'm going to stamp on it with the "It's Your Day, Enjoy It." This is from the Happiest of Birthdays. Now those are finished. Now I've got these 5 little scraps of Coastal Cabana, and I'm going to stamp just the "Enjoy It." Well, probably more than that will get stamped, but that's okay. Need to make sure to get at least that part, and I'll be trimming that out. So it doesn't have to look a certain way at this point. This is a really fun technique, like spotlighting a portion of the greeting. And if you stamp it and then cut it out, well, you know it's going to work well with this image because you've stamped the exact same image. So it makes it fun that way to highlight a certain part of the image or the text so that it stands out. Now I picked Coastal Cabana because, well, it's one of my favorite colors, but also it's kind of a neutral, like it goes with everything, I guess is what I mean by saying it's a neutral. I don't know, it's not really a neutral, but I think it goes with everything. And so I've picked, let's see, I've picked 5 solid colors of card stock, and I think Coastal Cabana goes with almost all cardstock, so that made it really easy. Our 5 labels are ready now, so let's check on our watercoloring over here. Now they are dry and ready to put onto our cardstock. They do curl up a little bit, so you can just kind of smooth those out with a bone folder or with your hands like so. And it's kind of nice because it gives them a little bit of texture. So next step, let's put these on our cards. So here are the colors of cards that I have pre-selected. So Daffodil Delight, Real Red, Blushing Bride, Sahara Sand, and Basic Black. Now, in the black one, I put a little bit of white cardstock already because obviously you need something to write on. But you can see these don't necessarily seem like a set that would go together, but you're only giving one at a time. So I picked ones that I thought would look nice with the Coastal Cabana, where that would stand out. These are ready now, and I don't know if you noticed, but when that was flying by, this one, the last one that I watercolored, is quite light. So instead of putting that on the red or some other color, I put it on the pink, so it could be just kind of like a more nice, subtle stripe there, where it wasn't competing as much as the red. The red might have taken over and overpowered it. Okay, exciting. So let's put these labels on now. And then our final step will be a little bit of embellishing. Now, one thing about these I also want to point out is because of the watercoloring and the texture that was created on the white cardstock, those are they have a little bit of built-in dimension. So I purposefully did not use dimensionals on those because they're already sticking off the card. Looks pretty cool, but I like these tags popped up with dimensionals, so that's why I put those on that. Okay. Whew, these are cute, and the Coastal Cabana looks awesome with all of those different colors. I'm super pleased at this point. Now, the last and funnest step is to create a little party environment for these cards. They're birthday cards. We want the recipient to feel like it's time to celebrate. So this is not a time when you want to be stingy with rhinestones. Just put all of those rhinestones down, and I was gathering up all of my kind of blue colored rhinestones, but I didn't have as many. I wanted quite a variety, and so I colored some of my rhinestones with Stampin' Blends, and then also I just started using whatever blue ones I had nearby, so that it just looks, the card just looks really fun. And that is it, my card making friends. We've got 5 quick and easy and adorable cards done in just minutes. You can see with each of them, the rhinestones are a little bit different. I tried to make them a little random and just kind of wild because that makes it fun and makes it feel a little more party-like. That one I even got on there crooked, but that's okay. I don't mind. Still just looks like a fun time all wrapped up in a card. So that is it for today and this little video. Hope you enjoyed, and good luck with your birthday cards, making them fun and fast and easy. See you next time. Bye-bye.